Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're going to whip up a delightful chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's dive right in and get started. But first, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon. First, we'll need to combine 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 and 1/2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of oil. Give it a good mix until everything is well blended. Now, let's add in 4 eggs and 2 cups of water. Mix everything together until we have a smooth batter. Then, pop it in the oven at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour or so. Keep an eye on it when it starts to pull away from the sides of the pan and appears done on top. You know it's ready. While our cake is cooling down, let's prepare our frosting. Melt 1/2 pound of butter and chocolate together over a double boiler. Once that's done, add in about 4 cups of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix everything until it turns into a smooth frosting. And there you have it, a scrumptious chocolate cake ready to be enjoyed by all. Thank you so much for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you love this recipe and want to see more delicious dishes, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more foodie fun. Happy baking!